Have you connected your Pixeltap by Pixelverse to your Ton wallet? If you are yet to do that, then this video is for you. So now there's a new update now that we have to connect our Pixeltap by Pixelverse to a Ton wallet. So initially we connected to different exchanges, but the new update now is that you should go and connect your Pixeltap by Pixelverse to a new wallet, which is a Ton wallet, because Pixeltap by Pixelverse will be launched on Ton blockchain. So that's why we are connecting it, and token distribution will actually be done into your Ton wallet. So it's very important you actually do this now. So now look at the official announcement of Hamster Combat. It said major update. You can see Ton wallet is now available in Pixeltap. It said Pixeltap now support Ton wallet, allowing you to securely hold your Ton coin and similarly interact with the Ton network. Then he actually described how you can actually connect it to Ton wallet. So we are going to be explaining to you in this video how you can easily connect it to your Ton wallet, so that as you await token distribution, you don't have problem getting your token. And if you are here to register for Pixeltap, share the comment section and description of this video. You will see a link that you can use to register and also get started and also connect your Ton wallet. So let me guide you through. So now for us to connect to a Ton wallet, you have to come here. So you have to come here. That's the wallet section. So when you tap, then you can see the Trust wallet I connected. So this is the Trust wallet I connected it to earlier before now. I want to connect to a Ton wallet as instructed by Pixeltap. So here we come here, so we click on connect. Then from here you can see the Ton sign here. So we are going to click on Ton. So you tap on Ton, then to give you different options. It says connect your wallet, open an Instagram, your Telegram, something. So now we are going to choose Ton Keeper wallet. So I'm going to select Ton Keeper wallet. So you redirect us to Ton Keeper wallet. And if you are yet to download Ton Keeper wallet, do well, go to Play Store or Apple Store, click search on Ton Keeper, download it, create a wallet, then set pin, save your recovery phrase so that you can keep your wallet safe. Make sure you keep the backup phrase very secured, because if you lose your recovery phrase, it's tantamount to you losing your fund you have in your Ton Keeper wallet. So he has redirected us to a Ton wallet. Now it's asking for us to choose the wallet we want to. So I'm choosing the first wallet, which is the one we are connecting to. So we are going to tap on connect. Then you enter your password. So you can see now done. So it should redirect us back to Pixeltap by Pixelverse. So let's see. So now it has been what? Connected. Look at something here. The first wallet we connected it to, which is a Trust wallet, is still here untouched. Then look at the second wallet here. So we have two wallets now, Trust wallet and what? Ton Keeper. The reason for Trust wallet is because if there is a reward or any tax that is given and you want the tax, you will use Trust wallet to get the reward. Then for Ton wallet will be used for token distribution, because Ton wallet is actually what will be used for token distribution, because Pixeltap by Pixelverse is actually a Ton blockchain token. You understand that? So that is that about that. If you are yet to register for Pixeltap, check the link in the description of this video and use the link to register, or check the comment section. I'm going to pin the link in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, drop a comment, share the video with others so that